gonna do nudity in this film.
But we need gratuitous stunts and nudity.
Well, I'm not gonna do it.
But Vicky, we need it.
It's really important.
Guys, I don't know what you think I am, but I'm not an exhibitionist.
But you parade around naked in front of your helicopters.
Oh, wait, hold on. I have never been naked in front of helicopters ever in my life. Hold on a second. I'm not like some slut that goes and flashes her tits for attention. Those helicopters come for me, because of our connection, because they see me for me. I don't need to take my clothes off. Chantal. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, we do. We know that you don't have
understand.
to. We do. We know you don't have to, okay, to attract the helicopters, but this is politics.
You couldn't pay me enough. Pay me enough to take my clothes off.
But without gratuitous stunts and nudity, we're not going to have distribution.
Which means no one is ever going to see the helicopter girl. No one is ever going to see the helicopter girl.
Well, do I get paid for it?
Well, no, because it's gratuitous.
Done out of gratitude.
Gratitude for what?
For making you a fucking star. What are you so afraid of?
Oh, I'm afraid! Afraid! Oh my God, I'm out here jumping dirt bikes and you call me afraid.
I'm not saying you're afraid, okay? I'm begging you. I'm saying please. It's just one little nude scene.
Oh, pussy.
Sean,
I'm a pussy.
you don't
Hold
have to say
on.
pussy,
I'm
you're
a
gonna
pussy.
piss
Listen to
her
her. I'm a pussy now. Okay, I'll show you pussy. I'll show you pussy. How about I sit you up some dirt bikes and you go and jump that ramp right there? Go on then.
That's insane.
Yeah, we'd kill ourselves.
And nudity would kill my reputation. You want me to do some gratuitous nudity? How about you do some gratuitous stunts?